Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video on Wilfried Zaha's Aventador. Today's video is all about adding in Apple CarPlay into the factory Lamborghini screen. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So to start off with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, how have we integrated it into here? How does the system actually work? And that's what today's video is all about. So in essence, you kind of jump in the vehicle, you turn the ignition on or start the vehicle. And as you can see, you've got a very dated kind of screen here. It's kind of just not up to date. You've got the original Lamborghini navigation system, you've got CD, you've got FM. It's one of those things, it just looks very, very dated. So we wanted to change that. Wilfried Zaha wanted a lot more functionality on the actual vehicle, and we've delivered exactly that. So this system works for wired on Android Auto but wireless on Apple CarPlay as well as wired. So today we're showing you just wired, just for ease. So we've dropped a USB into the glove box. I've got my iPhone lead here, I've got my iPhone here. Literally all I'm going to be doing is plugging in my car, plugging into the lead. It starts charging and straight away it comes up with CarPlay. So I can now put my phone away, it doesn't need to be there, and I've got everything live directly here. So I've got Spotify integration, I've got Google Maps, Apple Maps, I've got phone calls coming through straight away. So as you can see, calls are coming straight through the hands-free system, through the new sound system. Obviously we've done a whole custom sound system, so if you haven't done so already, make sure you go check out some of the behind the sound episodes that we've done on the car, getting it to this level, getting the sound system to where it is now. So overall, a really, really nice solution. So CarPlay basically uses the factory controls. The only thing you need to do to get sound through is go on to media, and you need to make sure it says external audio sources selected. Once that is selected, then you press the navigation button once. Rather than going to the original Lamborghini navigation screen, it actually takes you into your CarPlay screen. So this basically looks very, very nice. It's clean. You also got full color there as well. So you've got Spotify, WhatsApp, Waze, you've got Google Maps, Apple Maps, phone calls, even my calendar's on there. So loads of functionality live directly now on this unit. So I've got all my own music now. I'm not stuck to just having hands-free. I've got all my own music, exactly how I want to listen to it, how I want to play it. Obviously now with the epic new sound system that we've installed as well. So overall it uses full factory controls. The other really nice thing that we've done, obviously this kit doesn't use the factory Lamborghini mic for the hands-free system. So what we've done is we didn't want just a little mic sort of sat anywhere. What we've actually managed to do is integrate that into the top panel here. So that involves stripping it all down. However, it's well worth it. Nothing's on the dashboard. It looks really stock, but you can also download like digital radio stations as so if you want to listen to Heart or Kiss or Capital Extra, whatever it is on a DAB station, you actually download that onto your phone and just stream it in, and it will actually, as long as it's an Apple CarPlay compatible application, it will actually come through on CarPlay. So like BBC Sounds, all that sort of stuff can actually come live directly on the screen. So it's really nice to have full connectivity here. The main really nice thing as well about the system is obviously Spotify integration for your own music, and that's the big reason why a lot of people want this system. So now I've got my own music on here, I can actually use the scroll wheel on the steering wheel to actually control the actual system as well. Plus also what I can do is seek from here as well. So I've got full control live directly on the actual unit as well via steering wheel, but also via factory controls, which is really nice. So you basically use the scroll wheel to change songs and adapt basically the screen, but a load of functionality is added in now, which makes a world of difference. So if you are interested in adding Android Auto or Apple CarPlay into your factory Lamborghini screen, it can be done. Bring your vehicle over to Cambridge, we'll get it sorted for you. If you want a price on something like this, drop us a message on any of our social media platforms, we'll get that sorted for you. It's not a problem. We do need to have software versions and information from the screen, so it is best if you can come by initially, we can grab all the information, then draw up your quote. However, if you are further away, just want to come by for the actual install or get the vehicle delivered to us, that's not a problem. We do that day in and day out. We're actually delivering this car back to Wilfried Zaha later on today. So overall, a really, really nice solution that's fully integrated, nothing on display, but adding so much more functionality. Plus it sounds awesome with the new absolutely fantastic sound system that we've installed. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. You've seen a little bit more about how the interface actually looks on the Lamborghini Aventador. Other than that, guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you soon.